Hello and welcome to Color Vistas. Today we're diving into the world of Sublimation mousepads, a fantastic project for both beginners and experienced crafters alike. Sublimation allows you to transfer stunning, vivid designs onto mousepads, making them personalized tools for work or play. Join me as we explore the ideal time and temperature settings to create perfect sublimation mousepads every time. Before we get started, you can visit my website from the link in the description below, or search my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Now let's move on. Understanding sublimation. Mousepads. Sublimation mousepads are made from polyester-coated material that allows sublimation dye to bond directly with the surface, creating durable and vibrant designs. This process ensures that your artwork doesn't peel, crack, or wash away, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. Choosing the right materials. Mousepads. Select a polyester-coated mousepad designed for sublimation. The thickness should be about 3 to 5 milliliters for the best balance of comfort and print quality. Sublimation printer. Use a printer specifically configured for sublimation like the Sawgrass or Epson models. Inks and paper. High-quality sublimation inks and paper are crucial for transferring clear and vibrant images. Time and temperature settings. The perfect sublimation involves precise heat and time settings. Temperature, aim for between 370 degrees and 400 degrees. The high heat is necessary to turn the dye into a gas without damaging the polyester coating. Time. Press your mousepad for about 60 seconds. This duration ensures that the dye fully sublimates into the fabric of the pad. Pressure. Medium pressure is recommended to ensure even contact between the sublimation paper and the mousepad. Step-by-step guide to sublimation. Design preparation. Create your design using graphic software like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Ensure the design is mirrored and fits within the dimensions of your mousepad. Print your design. Print on high-quality sublimation paper with your design mirrored. Preheat the mousepad. Quick preheat for about 10 to 20 seconds to eliminate any moisture. Sublimation process. Place your printed design face down on the mousepad and press using the specified heat settings. Peel and admire. Allow the mousepad to cool slightly, then peel off the paper to reveal your design. Let's look at creative ideas for your mousepads. Personalized designs. From favorite quotes or artwork, customize your mousepad to reflect personal styles or interests. Branded merchandise. For businesses, mousepads can be printed with company logos or promotional messages, providing functional branded office supplies. Thematic designs. Create mousepads with thematic designs such as nature, technology, or abstract art for more visual appeal. Now, let's move on to troubleshooting. Common problems. Blurry images. Ensure that the paper is firmly taped down to prevent movement during the pressing. Color issues. Adjust your printer settings to ensure you're using the correct profile for your sublimation ink and paper. Uneven heating. Check your heat press for consistent temperature across its surface. Creating your own sublimation mousepads can be both fun and rewarding, providing a perfect blend of utility and creativity. With the right materials and a bit of practice, you can produce professional quality mousepads that are both functional and visually appealing. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative projects. Have any questions or want to share your designs? Leave a comment below. I love seeing what you all create. You can visit my website from the link in the description below or search my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.